Meaning of depreciate.
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 Depreciate. Depreciate refers to the gradual decline in value of an asset or currency over time due to various factors such as wear and tear, obsolescence, or market forces. The result of depreciation is a reduction in the worth or purchasing power of an asset or currency. For example, a car that is bought at $20,000 may be worth only $10,000 after a few years due to depreciation. Similarly, a currency that depreciates against another currency means that it can purchase fewer units of the other currency than before. Ultimately, depreciation leads to a decrease in the value of the affected asset or currency.